Hello and thank you for joining us here at Tesco. Today, we'll be showing you how to operate your vehicle's passenger heating and air conditioning system featuring a Spheros panel. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your vehicle's owner's manual. This heating and air conditioning system is controlled up front by the driver's seat via a ceiling-mounted panel. To turn the system on and off, press the top left button shown here. For automatic functionality, press the button below to run to the set temperatures. To enable the air conditioning, press the bottom left button. Moving to the center of the panel, the left button below the display will control fresh air cycling, followed by your fan speed selector, which is adjustable by 3 speeds: low, medium, and high, ending with your temperature control all the way to the right, allowing you to change the temperature in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments. On this particular model, rear vents are also easy to adjust for passenger comfort, with simple manual operation to open, close, or point the desired vents in any direction. And that is how you operate your Spheros HVAC system. For all of your transportation and mobility needs, choose Tesco. For over 50 years of our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.